Hey guys, I am Jem and I am a virtual assistant and I focus specifically on digital marketing. And today I'm thinking of sharing how I started my freelancing journey. Actually, what yung background when I started freelancing, what yung background when it comes to this one. So, a lot of people are asking me kung paano ko nag-start sa pagiging VA. And then it's not actually the usual thing na ginabuhat na to ang to ka og interview and then interviewon ka and then makabalo ka sa result if nadawat ba ko or wala. So it's not the usual thing, and I will be sharing this with you. This is also one of the things that I've learned after enrolling sa Freelance Tribe movement. Ang ginabuhat if first time pa ka na wala kay any background sa skill. So by the way, I started as a social media manager or marketer when I started my freelancing journey. So if ikaw bago pa ka and then wala po kay any background o sa skill, no worries because kini nga technique ako ang gigamit pod to acquire my first two premium clients. So kana siya, if ever you don't have any experience yet, one thing you can do is to offer free service. Yes, offer free service. Para makabuhat ka og portfolio, offer sa kag free service. Now you have two options. You can offer free service to a friend or to a local company or business, and you can also offer free service international or sa mga foreign clients. On my end, add ko sa Upwork. Alright, I know that maybe everyone really knows what Upwork is. Nato ko sa Upwork and then nagtry ko apply dito for a social media marketer or social media manager position. And then, ang nakalahi lang gito sa akong cover letter kay wala ko nag-ingon kung pila ako ang price or whatnot. Ang ako lang gingon dito is I am willing to offer my service to you for free for 3 months or for 7 days or for 15 days. Nakalimutan na ko. Basta I offer my service for free and then after that you can decide if gusto ka mo go sa ako if gusto ko ni mo kwaon, no? If gusto ka makig-work together with me. So naisa ka client, no? After less than actually it's less than a month na ko na siya gibuhat nga technique and then na client nga ni response na response ako and then kato siya nisugot siya nga mag-offer ko sa akong service sa iya for 15 days and then after ato mo decide siya if on ko niya or dili. So kato nga 15 days it's actually a win-win kung dili ko niya dawaton at least na kay portfolio, 'di ba? And then pwede po ko mga isiha reviews kung okay ba kung gibuhat sa iya or wala. So it's a win-win. Kung dili ko niya kwaon, at least na kay portfolio na po kay review. And if kwaon ko niya, then it's another win. 'Di ba? So at least walay masayang sa imuha. So katuong ako ang gibuhat. I offer my service for free for 15 days and then gibuhat ko na ako ang tanan again social media marketer. So gibuhat ko na ako ang tanan. Naging goal oriented ko, nag-set ko og goal kung saan mong i-achieve in that specific timeline. Pag-deliver na ko siya, giganahan man siya sa result. So you know what happened? She paid for that supposedly free trial sa akong service and then ni-proceed siya na sa ko ang offering. So kato siya, I found it effective because I did it again on the second client and nag-work yapon siya. I offer my service for free for 15 days or 7 days, nakalimutan ako specifically and then it worked also. Alright, so karon kung feeling nimo medyo lisod kayo mo sulod sa freelancing or sa pagiging virtual assistant kay kuan ka nang nitaas ang competition na digitally, especially sa pagiging virtual assistant, you can also use this technique. Kung nakidili tanan nag-offer of free service, especially if you are a newbie, dili tanan nag-offer of free service. And it's a win-win sa imuha o sa client. Kaya ang client, di mo siya magpagawas og kwarta, na then you're offering your service to him or her for free. But of course, pag mo offer ka og free service, dapat na-jug kay ipatong ana nga result na gusto nimo ihatag sa iya ha. Gusto niyo makita niya in that free trial. For example, mo increase ba kung social media marketer or manager, pwede mo increase ang iyang Facebook likes o let's say 100 inside within 15 days. So mga ba mga tangible result nga pwede nimo ma-deliver sa iya within that free trial. And then pwede nimo na gamiton na portfolio o pwede mo ka mangayo og review no or reviews sa iya. And if you're interested to learn more, just let me know in the comment. Kaya ito aning buhatan ng part 2 ng video if you're again interested to learn more. Yun lang. Bye. God bless.